Hello, what's going on, guys? I hope everyone's having a good Friday. Happy Friday. I got a pop filter from my microphone because I was getting a lot of interference with sound from other people and from other things around me. So for the most part, I've been quite busy. I haven't had a chance to post another video these past couple of days. I apologize for that. I I actually have to go back to work, so my vacation time is over and I'm going back to work. So for the most part, I'm gonna post videos Saturday and Sunday from now on because I work Monday through Friday. So Saturday and Sunday, I'm gonna post videos. So just keep up with me on these videos. For the most part, it's gonna be about IT related stuff and things that you should know for Comptia and things you should know as a technician, entry level things. Most of the stuff that I post is things that people are not educated about. Like they don't know anything about it. They want to learn about it, or they're trying to learn, or they're trying to get into IT, or they're trying to learn how to use Windows 7 or Windows 8 or Windows 10 or Apple or mobile devices. So my videos are free. Like I said before, if you've seen my intro video, it's all my stuff is absolutely free. I post these things just to educate people because a lot of people are not tech savvy, and some people don't know what a computer is or how to even use a computer. And so I just want to create these videos to show people what you should know, how to use something and things like that. So for this video, I'm going to talk about computer viruses and different kinds of viruses, and I'm also going to talk about security exploits on the network. So we have a computer virus. Computer virus is malware program that, when executed, replicates itself, it copies itself and modifies into other computer programs, data files, or boot sector of the hard drive. So for the most part, if you have a virus on your computer, and there are different types of viruses, which I'm going to talk about. And if you have a virus on your computer, you have a couple of options. You either remove the virus, you go into safe mode, you remove the virus, or you basically re-image your whole computer. And for the most part, some people just re-image their whole computer because they don't want the hassle of removing a virus, because it might take too long, it might be a lot of work, so they just re-image the whole computer. So we have malware. Anyone knows what malware is? It's a software intended to damage or disable computers and computer systems. So this is a picture of Malwarebytes. If you know anything about antivirus programs, we have Kaspersky, Malwarebytes, McAfee. We have AVG software, AVG antivirus. So this one's Malwarebytes. So this one just found a couple of malware viruses on the computer. Just a sample picture right here. Then we have spyware. It's a software that enables a user to obtain, convert information about another computer's activities by transmitting data currently from the hard drive. And we also have adware. I know people, oh man, the adware is really annoying. Software that automatically displays or downloads advertising material, or often unwanted when a user is online. So adware is like, I click on eBay and I start getting all these pop-ups, all these crazy pop-ups that they try to do like advertisement or promotions and things like that. It's really annoying. It's quite annoying. That means your web browser got hijacked for the most part. So you have to reinstall, not reinstall, but you have to put your Internet Explorer or your Google Chrome into factory condition, which I'm going to show you how to do that if you have Google Chrome or Internet Explorer. And you remove adware, and that's pretty much what it is. We also have ransomware. Ransomware is a type of malicious software designed to block access to a computer system until some of money is paid. So I don't know if some people have seen this before, but this is ransomware. This is what it does. And if your computer has been locked, and it gives you like this crazy nonsense. It gives you like the shield of the Department of Justice. It's just, a bunch of nonsense. I don't even believe this crap, And some people are like, oh no, my computer just got taken over by the FBI or whatever. And then we have a Trojan virus, which is a malicious or harmful code contained inside a parent harmless program's data in such a way that it can control and do its chosen form of damage, just as running a file on your hard drive. So this is a fake repair Windows 7 image. It's trying to destroy your registry files and your documents. They have like fake antivirus programs. They say it's gonna fix your computer, but it's not. Which some people are like, I'm gonna click on this, and then you get a little trigger happy. You click here, you click there, you click here, you click there, and before you know it, you have these things running in the background. You start messing up your computer. So a lot of times you get viruses because people are not educated about this. So you get viruses because people just click whatever they want. They click whatever they want, and then boom, you start getting a lot of viruses. Or you download music for free. People download music for free, and when you download music for free, it comes with this other stuff that are viruses, and they manipulate your files and they mess up your computer and stuff like that. So most of the time, 100%, like 99% of the time, it's the user's fault. But if you're working in a PC or desktop support environment, you don't blame the user. You never blame the user. If it's a customer, you never blame the user. You don't laugh it out, but you're just like, oh man, I remember when I made this mistake. You put yourself in their shoes. Oh man, I remember when I made this mistake. I shouldn't have done that. Why, man? This happened to me before. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna fix it for you. I got you. Don't worry about it. And that's how you should look at it. If you're working as a PC technician or you're working as a desktop support technician. So we have preventive maintenance, which is you should have like an antivirus program on your computer. But for the most part, some of these antiviruses don't like they do work, but whatever you download, it's whatever you download, and you're gonna get viruses. So don't download any strange programs. Be careful what you click. Do a virus scan daily, at least once a week. I scan my computer once a week, but I don't have an antivirus program for the most part on my computer. Most viruses come from the user side. By that I mean, like, the user downloads or scans or clicks on something and then messes up their computer, but you never blame the client. If a client has a virus, don't blame the client if you're working for them. Never blame the client if you're working for them. That's not how you do business. So don't blame the customer. So now I'm gonna talk about how to factory reinstall on Google Chrome. It's real easy, it's nothing crazy. So I'm on my Google Chrome. I want to factory reinstall Google Chrome, right? So settings. You scroll all the way down, go to show advanced settings. Then you go to reset settings, and you can reset from here. And that's pretty much how you reinstall, not reinstall, but reset Chrome. And for those who don't know anything about Google Chrome, if you're doing this on a Chromebook, it'll be called Power Wash. You power wash your Chromebook. So we're gonna go to Internet Options on this. This is for Internet Explorer. Go to Advanced, and you could reset right here. So you click the reset button right here, and if you have I type google.com, and it redirects you to another website, you have malware. So you wanna remove whatever malware you have, because it keeps redirecting you to another website, right? So here it will be like thinking of something. Oh, Coldet. It's a virus. Coldet's a virus. So if it has like Coldet or like a fake Yahoo website, you just change it to something else from here. So I would put like google.com or whatever it is, and then you click use default and you change it right here. And you still have the virus, so then you have to go and scan it in safe mode, and pretty much that's how you get rid of the virus. And that's the same way on this. So you go to settings, you go to set pages, and you're gonna have something like Coldet. Coldet is a virus. I'll show you what that is. Like, what's he talking about? It's like Coldet virus. See, it's a virus. It's malware. This is what it is. Keeps taking you to another website. It's malware. For me, if you have a virus, the best website to go into, and it's absolutely free if you have a virus. If anyone knows about this website, I'm not sure if you know about it. It's called Beeping Computer. It's a free website. So Beeping Computer, and you go to downloads. It's not a virus, so don't worry, it's not a virus or anything. Downloads, and then you could download free programs to scan your computer. You have, this is for adware. You have ad cleaner, combo fix. You have junk removal. You have Arkel, This is a free website. If you have any viruses on your computer or you have viruses for someone else's computer, you could use it. You could use this for the most part. But obviously, if they have their own software programs like Norton Security or McAfee, whatever they have, just use that one. But this is just in case if you have a virus on your computer, you could use any of these. So now I'm gonna talk about security exploits. Security exploits are common things you see as a technician or as a real life as a person when people try to get information out of you or try to get something out of you. So we're gonna look at network security exploits, like common exploits you see in networking or you see in security, trying to secure the network. So we have social engineering. Is a content of information security, refers to psychological manipulation of people into performing actions or diverging confidential information. Someone calls you and claims that you have a virus on your computer. He or she is a worker for Microsoft trying to get access to your computer. Oh, hi, my name is Tom. I'm calling because I see you have a virus on your computer. Can you turn your computer on? Can you download this program? So I could remote desktop, so I could go remotely to your computer and control it. So that's what social engineering is. Then there's phishing, which is the activity of defrauding online account holders' financial information by posing as a legitimate company. They call you, they say you owe money for the IRS. That's pretty much that's pretty much what it is. Like, see, some of these people, they just they have no life, and they like to make other people's lives miserable for the most part. I don't get it, you know. It's alright though. It's alright. So we have a man-in-the-middle attack. Is an attack where the attacker secretly relays and possibly alters communication between two parties who believe they are directly communicating with each other. So we have a man in the middle right here. Let me see if I could where are you? Where are you? Where are you? There we go. Yeah, we have a man in the middle attack, which is this guy right here. He's in the middle between the two computers. Like, you have a one person sending information. They're trying to go into Google.com, and this guy in the middle hacks the connection in between, and then he sends like a fake email or a fake reply, or he sends something that looks like it's legit but it's not, and they mess up your computer. That's pretty much what a man in the middle attack is. And you have Smurf attack. Oh man, this one. It's a denial of service attack with a large numbers of Internet Control Message Protocol (ICMP) packets with the intent of victim spoof source IP or broadcast to a computer network. So some people, they don't understand what did I just say? Like what did I just say? So it's basically the attacker. Let me get my pen again. There we go. All right, so basically this is the attacker, right? And you're the victim right here, and you have all these websites you're going into, or you have a server, or you have a computer, and basically the attacker sends a virus, and he sends packets of data, and he attacks everyone in the network, you, the other people, and everyone else that's in the network. So that's what a Smurf attack is. And then we have denial of service. So it's a DOS attack where multiple compromised systems which are affected with Trojan are used to target a single system, causing a denial of service. So I hate this one as well. Like these people are evil, man. I'm telling you, some of these hackers are evil. So you have an attacker right here, and this is the server right here. This is the server right here. Everyone's connected to the server. All these computers are connected to the server, and for some reason, in some cases they don't have It depends how many computers are connected to it, but for in some cases these are fake computers. These are zombies, and they attack the victim. If you guys ever play video games like Counter-Strike Source or CS Global Offensive, those are games that I like to play. They will DDoS the server. and then you can't get back online on the server, or they were sending influx of attacks, and we're using the IP address. So basically, they will overflood your network repeatedly, and you can't get on the server. So that's what that is. We have brute force, which is a trial error method used to obtain information such as the user's password or personal identification number. Brute force automatic software is used to generate large numbers of consecutive guesses as the value of desired data. So a lot of people don't know is this is what the FBI was trying to do on the iPhone. The iPhones have a passcode of 4 digits. But the thing is that you have to do brute force. So basically, you keep typing in a certain amount of passwords. But the problem is that an iPhone, if you put a certain amount of passwords, it would just deny you privilege to put any more numbers in it. You can't do it. It will lock you out of the phone. So brute force is basically it's a series of trial methods. So basically, you're trying to connect to a Wi-Fi, and you keep guessing what the Wi-Fi is. You keep putting letters, numbers, and that's what brute force is. You're trying to get into something, so you try to guess as many times as you possibly can to attack that or to get into that. That's what brute force is. You got SQL injection. Attackers use existing vulnerabilities in the applications to inject a code or string. Allowed expect input to SQL bases. This is for like websites. They basically attack your website. You have like a website like Facebook or Google or any of that nonsense. Well, not nonsense, but any of those things. Then they will put a virus inside your website through a series of coding. If you know about programming, they would put a virus and attack you. You have a honeypot, and a honeypot has a computer system on the internet that is set to attract and trap people who are attempting to penetrate other people's computers. So we have a honeypot. Anyone that knows about honeypot, it's you create a fake computer or a fake network, and you have a normal traffic right here. It's just to attract people, and then what it does is you basically figure out the vulnerabilities of your network, and you basically it's like security. If you ever taken Comptia Security Plus, you're basically attacking the network, a fake network, to see what problems or what vulnerabilities it has. So then you figure out other ways to make it better, to make the network a lot stronger and the network better. So that's basically what a honeypot is. And we have a honey net. It's a vulnerability in a simulated computer network used as a decoy server to test network security. See? Honey nets are developed in order to help computer security experts to improve security for networks and systems. So it's pretty much the same. It's kind of the same thing, but it's not. It's kind of similar. So basically, you have a computer, you have a server. I'm gonna draw a server right here. This is my server right here, my computer. Yeah, I suck at drawing. Sorry. You have a server, and this is a fake server. So you're using a fake server. This is fake, right? I can't write on this. This is fake, right? A fake server, and you have this computer over here that it attacks this. It attacks this, and people continuously attack it. Other computers attack it, and then based on that, they figure out how to improve the security of the server. But it's a fake server, but they're doing it on a fake server, so they could implement that on a real server that they have. So basically, that's what a honeynet is, for the most part. In any case, thanks for watching my video. I apologize, the video is kind of long. It's a lot of information, because I try to put my information I try to make it as easy as possible, and I want people to understand what I'm saying, and hopefully you understand what I was saying. And for the most part, that's pretty much it. Rate, comment, subscribe. If you like my video, give me the thumbs up. If you hate it, give it a thumbs down. And share my videos and tell people about my channel, if anything. I'm always here to help. You have any questions or concerns, you let me know. And for the time being, I'm gonna post videos Saturday and Sunday because I got out of my vacation, so I start going back to work again. So hope everyone has a happy Friday. Take care. Bye now.